3, 2, 1.
I'm read daily, but never eat. What am I? The answer is C, book. What has a head and 4 feet, but can't walk? A bed. The answer is C, chair. Sia and Em are the 2 characters that sang the song you hear. What Disney movie is it from? The answer is C, Lady and the Tramp. What is used to bind and lose papers together? The answer is A, ribbon. What bugler first sounded the musical piece Taps in Memorial Day? The answer is B, Oliver W. Norton. A place of tranquility, where one can find solace and inspiration. What am I? The answer is C, mountain. I'm a part of a musical instrument that you blow into. What am I? The answer is A, reed. What is actress Jane Fonda's real birth name? The answer is A, Lady Jane Seymour Fonda. What is the color of Mario's rival, Luigi? The answer is D, green. What is the lowest ranking species in the Covenant hierarchy in the Halo series? The answer is A, grunt. In what country is picking your nose in public more acceptable than blowing your nose? The answer is A, Japan. What is the capital of Bronteland in Jane Eyre? The answer is B, Brotherton. What is a kitchen utensil used for mixing ingredients? The answer is C, fork. The presence of which of these is required for the formation of cavernous chambers? The answer is C, some carbonic acid. I have no borders, yet enclose many countries. What am I? The answer is A, Atlantic Ocean. What is the concept of cogito, ergo sum from? The answer is C, Descartes' Meditations on First Philosophy. In what year was the first edition of Sonic the Hedgehog released? The answer is C, 1991. What is laryngology the study of? The answer is A, the voice box. I'm worn on the wrist, used for telling time. What am I? The answer is A, watch. I leave the country, but can't drive a car. What am I? The answer is D, President. What was Mountain Dew's original slogan? The answer is A, Yahoo! Mountain Dew, it'll tickle your innards. I'm a green vegetable with long stalks and small green balls on the ends. What am I? The answer is B, Brussels sprouts. Golden treasure am I, guarded by hundreds and thousands of armed guards. I am stored in a labyrinth where no man can walk, yet men often come to steal my gold. What am I? The answer is D, honey. What type of scientists study the effects people have on their environment? The answer is D, environmental scientists. Which mountain is part of the Andes Range and straddles Argentina and Chile? The answer is A, Aconcagua. What is the world's highest navigable lake located atop a mountain? The answer is D, Lake Titicaca Mirror. What is the term for disease-causing agents such as bacteria and viruses? The answer is B, pathogens. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? The answer is C, clock. The answer is B, 3. The language of Shakespeare is known as modern English's predecessor. What was it called? The answer is C, Latin. What is the study of the mind and its processes? The answer is D, behaviorism. What is always under control, but weighs nothing? The answer is D, a chemical solution. What is the result of subtracting 3/5 from 2, written as a fraction? The answer is B, -1/5. Who composed the opera The Marriage of Figaro? The answer is A, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. I'm often purple, round, and juicy. What am I? The answer is A, gray. An array of words that paints vivid pictures in the mind. What am I? The answer is A, prose. What do water, aluminum, redwood trees, and valley quail all have in common? The answer is D, they are all made of atoms. Which color has highest wavelength in the visible spectrum?
The answer is D, red.
I can hold up the universe, but not a feather. What am I? The answer is A. Gravity. What 1997 movie featured Cartesian coordinates, the usual type of graph paper, and factoring numbers? The answer is D. Cube. What kind of light bulb contains a thin wire filament made of tungsten that gets hot and glows? The answer is A. Incandescent. Which author wrote From the Earth to the Moon? The answer is D. Jules Verne. What is defined as the amount of force acting on a given area? The answer is D. Pressure. I shave without a razor, polish without a cloth. What am I? The answer is A. Moon. Who had a #1 hit in 1988 with the massive single Don't Worry, Be Happy, featured in the movie Cocktail? The answer is D. Bobby McFerrin. If hot water were poured on an arm, what would happen to internal organs? The answer is B. Organs would remain unaffected. I'm a famous violinist, yet I never performed in public. Who am I? The answer is A. Niccolo Paganini. In which sphere of the atmosphere do the northern and southern lights occur? The answer is C. Thermosphere. I'm full of holes but can't leak. What am I? The answer is D. Video game controller. I'm sweet, green, and grow on a tree. Not apple. What am I?